Hi all, yeah, just a quick video on how I repaired my AC lights on here. So what should happen is when you turn the key, the lights come on. My lights weren't coming on, so what I did originally is I unscrewed these two items here. Then you can then lift this shift panel back a little bit. You basically literally just pull off these knobs, all of them. Pull off this knob here as well. And then you get access to one Phillips screw underneath there. Unscrew that, pull all these knobs off gently, not to lose any bits. Then there's a 213mm underneath that, so you can loosen those, take those off in order to take the cover off. Then basically you can lift the radiator up slightly, and then you can gently pull this panel outwards, and you'll see behind it there's 5 little bulbs. So what I did is I took all the bulbs out very carefully, cleaned them up, checked for voltage. There's no power. So I assumed the problem was probably somewhere else. So it's now working. So what I did, turn it off a second. So I went online, DMC Texas, found this. And you can see number 8 and number 10. So number 8 is the Illumination resistor, and number 10 is the relay. So what should happen is when you turn the ignition on, the light should come on full power on there. Then I believe when you turn the lights on here, that then dims this panel. Something on those lines it is anyway. It says it all in here anyway somewhere. So that's what happens. So what it is, I'd look at those, number 8 and 10, and that also links back to fuse number 11, which is the AC panel lights and power windows. So I knew my windows worked. Flip to the back. In the back here, so it's the red one there. So took it out, just carefully took it apart with a screwdriver, cleaned the resistor inside, all looked pretty good. Put it back in again, and then this one here was the one here, so I took that out. And what it is, I've actually got a couple of a brand new modern one and just another old DeLorean one here. So what I've done, inserted this one here, and basically the power went straight on. I did notice it's a little bit flickery, so I'd look underneath here, and I'd actually replaced it a while back according to the sort of DMC manual. Where is it? The green one there is actually a 30 ampere there, number 11, and that was actually, I just touched it actually, and it's ever so slightly sort of not spot on, so I pulled it out, had a good look, and I can see actually there was some sort of crap in there. I rebent the pins, cleaned it up properly, now it's nice and tight. So yeah, it's basically a combination of a faulty relay there, and that was a little bit iffy on that fuse. So there's that's the faulty one, sorry, it's taken out. I haven't put the brand new one in, so I thought I'd use another DeLorean one I happen to have. But what I might do, I might get a load of these new ones and replace them at some point. But for now, it's, you know, it worked spot on. So yeah, so there it is. So didn't need the power in the end. I've also installed LED bulbs here, and up the front there. If you fit those, you can't have the the sort of dimming function on these sort of lights. So when you sort of close the door, you know, on the old bulbs, it would dim down after a couple of seconds and turn off. It doesn't work on these ones because there's not enough power drawn on them. So you have to unplug that white relay if you want to do these ones here. And these are much nicer, much brighter. So when you sat out at night time, they do look a lot better. There we go. There's it there. Okay, excellent. So hopefully that helps some people, and at least it gets my life.